Hi, I'm Josephine. I'm the Senior Student Welfare Officer of Mahatma Gandhi Medical College and Research Institute. I'm really proud to be a part of this Train the Trainer program. I joined this because I wanted to make some videos online, and I got an expert training into how not only how to make the videos online but also how to create my own courses, and I'm so happy for that. The other reason was that after last year I was feeling a bit lacking in my self-confidence levels and my energy levels were low. I needed something to push me in the right direction, and this course gave me that momentum which showed me what I can do with my life and really took my life to the next level. I thank Dr. Poorani coach and the Happiness and Success Academy and all those who are involved with it, her team of members who made this course very useful and very beneficial. Thank you, Dr. Poorani coach, for coming into my life at the right time. Thank you.